This lesson covers Omnissa Horizon, the platform most people still know as VMware Horizon. We'll trace how the VMware End-User Computing business became the independent company Omnissa, walk Horizon 8's core architecture, look at Horizon Cloud's next-gen model, and clarify the certification path now that the old VMware credential is retired. When Broadcom acquired VMware, it didn't fold end-user computing into the VMware Cloud Foundation portfolio. Instead, the entire EUC division, Horizon, Workspace ONE, App Volumes, and Dynamic Environment Manager, was sold to the investment firm KKR and launched in 2024 as an independent company called Omnissa. Practically, that means Horizon is Omnissa's flagship product now, not VMware's. The underlying technology hasn't changed, so your existing Horizon skills transfer directly. Horizon 8 is the on-premises capable pod architecture you deploy and run yourself. Connection Server authenticates users and brokers them to their entitled desktop or app pool. Unified Access Gateway, or UAG, is the secure external access point, removing the need for a traditional VPN. This customer-managed model parallels Citrix's classic on-prem CVAD architecture we covered in the last lesson. Instant clones are Horizon's rapid provisioning technology. New desktop VMs spin up almost instantly from a running parent VM's memory and disk state rather than a full disk clone, which sharply cuts both provisioning time and storage use. This is what makes large pooled, non-persistent Horizon desktop pools practical at scale, the same problem MCS solves for Citrix and Compute Gallery solves for AVD. App Volumes delivers applications as virtual disks that attach to a desktop at login or dynamically, so you don't need to bake every application into your golden image. Dynamic Environment Manager, or DEM, handles user personalization and policy on top of your profile strategy. Together they solve two separate layers of the same non-persistent desktop challenge: what applications a user has, and how their environment behaves. Just as Citrix evolved from on-prem CVAD to cloud-managed DAS, Omnissa offers Horizon Cloud Next Gen, a cloud-hosted control plane. A Horizon Edge Gateway virtual appliance connects your resources back to that cloud control plane, with subscription-based licensing. It's the same architectural pattern as Citrix Cloud plus Cloud Connectors, three vendors converging on Cloud Brain, customer body. If you inherit an existing VMware Horizon estate, three things matter. Support and licensing now route through Omnissa, not VMware or Broadcom. Documentation is actively migrating to Omnissa Tech Zone. And the underlying technology, instant clones, app volumes, DEM, UAG, is functionally unchanged, so your skills transfer directly. The corporate restructuring hasn't changed the product's technical direction. The current, active administrator credential is OCAH, Omnissa Certified Administrator for Horizon. The legacy VMware credential, VCPDTM, is no longer issued, existing holders keep it, but it's not an achievable path for a new administrator today. If you see VCPDTM listed as a target in a study plan or job posting, treat it as outdated. Next, we cover GPU workloads and the smaller players rounding out the 2026 VDI landscape.